Hi friends, Audacity, a best tool to edit voice files. We can learn how to download the files for this editing software Audacity. In Google page, just type Audacity and go for its page. And in the home page of Audacity, just click I am a human for a CAPTCHA verification and complete the CAPTCHA verification. In this here, please click each image containing an umbrella. Watch for the files which contain umbrella and select that images, this type of images. Then it is a finalization of the verification. Okay, then again one more image is there. I selected that too and click check and it is passed. Then I can go for the Audacity home page. Here I can download the required file. Click download Audacity on the lower part, in which we can download different versions for Windows, Macintosh as well as Linux. Here click on download Audacity and among the versions, select the particular version for us. Here the current version is 2.4.2 and just click and download the required versions. And this is a file to install Audacity 2.4.2 installer. Just click and download, go for download. Here Audacity Windows installer is here and click it and it will download to our computer, desktop or somewhere else. You just save it and after downloading it, just click and open and click run button. While running, I already click to run the application. Then what will happen is that it will open and it is downloading. After downloading, we have to double click and open it, and after opening the particular file, double click and install. Try to install. Usually without any difficulty it will install in your computer, but what will happen is that if your system is not updated with the required files like run DLL something like that, there may be some error may occur. Otherwise it will smoothly install in your system. I already installed it because so I have to skip the installation process right now. So I skip this installation and just click cancel and I exit setup and just try to open my Audacity application. Then I will demonstrate what are the features of this Audacity. Here it is 2.4.1 version is there. I just open this area. Here we can record the files of audio files and we can improve the quality of sound. Okay, we can try to record. This is the record button, this red icon. Just click here and talk to the microphone. It will usually follow a graphical pattern of recording, and after decide recording, just click stop button. Okay, now this is the recorded bit of files, in which there may be some hissing sound or noise may be there. We can remove the noise by selecting that area and try to play it. Yeah, a low noise is appearing. It can be, yeah, it can hear by me. I try to remove such sound from all through the file. For that I select normalize. I click on noise reduction. In the noise reduction, I click get noise profile from this particular area. Then again I am going to remove from noise reduction by selecting the whole file. I select the whole file and now click effect, noise reduction, and this is a 12 decibel sound, and that decibel sound will be reduced from all the area of the file. Yeah, now it is reduced. See, here it is somewhat blank. Now I try to play this file here and talk to the microphone. It will usually follow a here I can remove the unwanted sounds. Here a humming sound, a humming sound. It is usually created by me while explaining a content. Such sound can be removed. Again I try to hear, this is a sound okay, yeah, this is a bit of sound have to be deleted. Just select that area and just press, after clicking stop button, just press delete. It will be removed. In that way we can remove unwanted. Here I again try what is the sound. Talk to, again this is a so I again remove it. In that way I can remove unwanted area of the file. Then I would like to add a echo effect. Before that I would like to amplify. Little amplification is needed because my voice is little low compared to others' voice. So I would like to improve the voice by giving the effect amplification. Here I try to stop this and click on effect button and go for amplification. Here it is the button amplification. Just select it and select an audio. Yeah, for that purpose I have to select the whole area. Now it is selected. Select all. Then again go for effect amplify. Now this is a possible amplification for this purpose. Okay, then I give OK. Now little more sound is there. See, talk to the microphone. It will usually follow a graphical. Yeah, here also some more gap is there. I want to remove it. Okay. Yeah, now it is more amplified. Now I want to add a what is called equalizer effect. Equalizer means my sound may be more in bass and more in treble than the middle area of the voice. For that purpose I again select the whole area and go for effect, then select graphic equalizer or just equalizer. It may be, yeah, this is the graphic equalizer. Select this. Yeah, this is the pattern I usually take for my voice. That is, the middle frequency are reduced and the high frequency, that is 20K, 12.5K frequencies are improved. Similarly, the bass area, that is the low frequency area, is also a little bit improved. Then we can search for preview and then go for OK. Yeah, now again we have to amplify it. Just we can listen first and talk to the microphone. It will usually follow. Now I feel a digital sound. Then make again amplification process for the whole area. Select and give amplification. Yeah, now again more amplification is there. Talk to the microphone. It will usually follow a graphical pattern of recording. Yeah, now it is good. Now I can add a little bit echo for this file. For that again I select whole and go for effect and then give a little bit echo. That is a time delay of 0.2 second and delay. Yeah, just preview it. Then we can select here and talk to the microphone. this is more, this is heavy for this purpose, so we have to reduce this figure. Now I select delay time into 0.05, then delay factor is 0.2. Now again I try for a preview here and talk to the microphone. It will usually follow a no effect. Okay, so I would like to improve the delay factor. Again try for a preview here and talk to the microphone. It will usually follow a Hall effect is there, and if such a Hall effect is there, we can stop editing, and we can there are so many tools here. You can learn so many things regarding this particular tool itself from YouTube. So many tutorial videos are there on each and every aspect of these tools, but I think these are some fundamental things for an audio bit file, and we can stop it and can export the file. It is needed to export into MP3 format or AAC format, or you can try with any other format. I select here export to MP3. Just click on MP3. Now this file is exported as my Audacity file, Audacity test file into my desktop. Okay, here it is displayed, right? Just click on save. Now we can give the artist name here. Then wherever this file is shared, my name will be embedded into this MP3 file. Then click OK. Now it is uploaded. Now just close it. There is a question that whether I want to store this project file. If we would like to edit it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then we have to keep it. Otherwise, just click on no. So that is the only process. Then this MP3 file is here. Just try and open and play it here and talk to the microphone. It will usually follow a graphical pattern of recording, and after desired recording, just click very good in hearing, and you can feel a beautiful sound. You can make modification. Then the sound of cicada means insect. Its sound is chirping here, and that sound is also recorded during this video recording also. So it's a background music for my presentation. Actually the time is late night, so this chirping sound is usually attached with my voice. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.